Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to turn crypto into cash. Are you eager to unlock the value of your digital assets and convert them into real-world money? Look no further. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of converting your cryptocurrency holdings into fiat currency, enabling you to access your funds easily and conveniently. Converting cryptocurrency into cash can be an essential step for those looking to realize their investments or utilize their digital assets for everyday expenses. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or a newcomer to the world of digital currencies, understanding the process of converting your crypto into cash is crucial. To turn cryptocurrency into cash, you typically need to follow a few steps. Please note that the specific process may vary depending on your location and the cryptocurrency exchange or platform you're using. Here's a general guide. 1. Choose a cryptocurrency exchange. Select a reputable cryptocurrency exchange that supports the cryptocurrency you want to convert into cash. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and Bitstamp. 2. Create an account. Sign up for an account on the chosen cryptocurrency exchange. This typically involves providing your email address, creating a password, and completing any necessary verification processes, such as providing identification documents. 3. Connect your bank account. Link your bank account to the cryptocurrency exchange. This step may involve verifying your bank account details and providing additional information to comply with Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) regulations. 4. Transfer cryptocurrency. Send your cryptocurrency from your personal wallet to the wallet provided by the exchange. This usually requires generating a wallet address for the specific cryptocurrency you're transferring and initiating the transaction from your personal wallet. 5. Sell cryptocurrency. Once your cryptocurrency is in your exchange wallet, navigate to the Sell or Trade section of the exchange platform. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to sell and select your desired cash currency, example, USD, Euro. 6. Specify the amount. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell or the amount of cash you wish to receive. The exchange will display the current exchange rate and calculate the approximate cash amount you'll receive after fees. 7. Confirm the trade. Review the transaction details and ensure they are accurate. Confirm the trade, and if prompted, enter any additional security measures such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, codes. 8. Execute the trade. Once you've confirmed the trade, the exchange will attempt to match your sell order with a buyer. If there's a matching buyer, the transaction will be executed, and your cryptocurrency will be sold for cash. If at any time during this informative video, you would like more information on Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, click the link in the description. 9. Withdraw funds. After the trade is executed, the cash proceeds will typically be credited to your exchange account balance. From there, you can withdraw the funds to your linked bank account. Navigate to the Withdraw or Withdrawal section of the exchange, specify the amount you want to withdraw, and follow the instructions to complete the withdrawal process. 10. Cash out. Depending on the exchange and withdrawal method, it may take a few days for the funds to reach your bank account. Once the funds are available, you can access them as cash through your bank account or by using an associated debit card. Remember to consider any applicable fees, withdrawal limits, and tax obligations when converting cryptocurrency into cash. It's advisable to consult local regulations and seek professional advice if needed. We appreciate your support and are thrilled to have you as part of our crypto community. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from this valuable information. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest insights and trends in the cryptocurrency space.